Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling how to do option trading on Etoro. If you're new to trading or just curious about options, you're in the right place. Etoro is a user-friendly platform that lets you trade stocks, cryptocurrencies, and yes, options, all from one app. It's great for beginners because of its social trading features, where you can copy experienced traders. But first, let's quickly cover what options are. Options are contracts that give you the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell an asset at a set price before a specific date. There are two main types: call options, which let you buy, and put options, which let you sell. Now, let's dive into the steps on Etoro. Step 1. Sign up and verify your account. Head to the Etoro website or app, create an account, and complete the verification process. It usually involves ID and a quick quiz on trading risks. Step 2. Deposit funds. Once verified, add money to your account using methods like bank transfer, credit card, or PayPal. Start small to minimize risks. Step 3. Navigate to the trading section. In the Etoro dashboard, go to the Trade tab and search for Options. You'll see a list of available options based on stocks, indices, or other assets. Step 4. Choose your option. Select the asset you want, like Apple stock, and decide if you want a call or put option. Set your strike price, expiration date, and investment amount. Etoro makes this straightforward with charts and analysis tools. Step 5. Place and monitor your trade. Hit Buy or Open Trade, and keep an eye on it through the platform's real-time updates. Remember, options can expire worthless, so set stop-loss orders to protect yourself. Trading options involves significant risks, including the potential loss of your entire investment. Always do your research, never invest more than you can afford to lose, and consider consulting a financial advisor. Etoro also has educational resources to help you learn more. That's it for this guide. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more trading tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. Let's keep the conversation going. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.